Okay, so I don't know how good you can hear me or how well you can see this, but this is Tanzanian rain from my front porch. Just looking out on my school grounds. And there's some of the school buildings down there. I want to get my camera wet. My next door neighbor's garden. And those buildings over the top of the garden, those are the girls' dormitories. And this is the Tanzanian rainy season. I need galoshes and waterproof pants, I guess. Way off on those trees is the town of Njombe. Can't see it because it's raining too hard.